Angela, your dance coach. This lesson's about extending the hamstrings, allowing them to lengthen in an intelligent way. So when we're doing Feldenkrais awareness through movement lessons, what we're doing is using pattern interruption techniques to give novelty to the brain, because the brain learns best through novelty. So this lesson, we start with our head on our knee. That is the constraint we're using in this lesson. And we are going to then take hold of the foot. You can hold it anywhere you like. And then keeping the head on the knee, taking the leg out and back, out and back. Now look, I can take my head to my knee, but I feel a stretch when I'm there. So you want to stay in that easy, comfortable range. So if I'm going to just go to where's comfortable for me, it's about here, and then come back. Now keeping this constraint means the brain has to work out how to do this, lengthening the leg with the head on the knee without allowing that to break contact. When we get to a comfortable place, we then swing side to side. This is to allow the nervous system feel comfortable, easy. We're all swung as babies, so doing this tells it we're safe here. We can lengthen and give. So then we come back and we just keep moving through this. Now, when I'm teaching this to dancers, I often ask them to actually massage their face on their knee. But you can do that, or you can place the chin on the knee, and that forms a different relationship with your body and your knee, or with the cheek on the knee, or with the opposite cheek on the knee. However, you can come up with all different places to place the head on the knee. Make it fun and novel. Once again, this is part of a hamstring lesson. There's many other movements we do in this lesson. This is just one part of it, which I like to share with you and to help dancers and anybody really to lengthen their hamstrings. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so that you'll be notified when I post a new video on YouTube. I will see you in another video soon.